The reason most dogs don't like the rain is they don't know how to dress for it. Me, I know how to dress for the rain. I got my rain hat on. I'm just really debating whether I really want to go swimming in the rain. I know there's singing in the rain, but not too sure about swimming in the rain. At least just not too sure about your hat, Max. Oh well. It's only rain, right? I'm a water dog anyways. I'm gonna get wet. Might as well get wet with my hat on. At least it'll keep my head dry. In you go. In you go, Maxie. I know, the water's a little bit cooler. You can do it. You want me to fix your hat? Yeah, your hat's falling down. There we go. Now you can go up there. Okay, in you go. Oh. Rain hat malfunction. Okay, in you go. Now you can go swimming. I'm swimming in the rain. Just swimming in the rain. That's me. Max the ultimate water dog. Not only do I go out in the rain, I go dipping and sipping in the rain. You're a funny guy, Max. Enjoy your drink, buddy. Let's check on your sister. Let's see what she's up to. She's definitely wanting to stay dry. Ellie, you're gonna come out in the rain? Oh, this is a first. Ellie really doesn't like the rain. She's a girl dog. Girls don't like the rain so much. Unlike Mr. Max, who's just the ultimate Great Dane water dog. And off I go. Look at me. I'm so handsome. I'm just so handsome. That Weather Channel guy's got nothing on me. Good shake, Max. Okay, now back in and probably to lie on the bed. Love you, Maxie. Good weather report today.